So we're gonna cut along here. Cut along there. Okay. Now we've got the other breast, because on a chicken you've got the left breast and you've got the right breast. See right here? This is the neck, which should have been totally cut off. But, okay. They goofed up. See, this is the neck. That's not supposed to be there. They messed up. Okay, so let's cut this breastbone in half. So we have 2 breastbones. Okay. Alright, you see this neck? You might run into this problem. So, see, there's another breast bone right there. And I need to get rid of the neck, because you're not supposed to eat that. I'm going to try to cut that neck off. That's the neck bone. It's a piece of a neck bone. See? Right there? You don't want that in your breast. The meat market screwed up and left some of the neck on.
The butcher did.
The butcher. Alright, now we've cut the... Okay, I've still got a little bit of that neck bone on there. You see, if you run across the problem where there's a little bit of a small amount of the neck bone there, you just cut it off. Okay, so we got 4 breast bones right here. Okay, now what are we missing? That's the thigh. This is the thigh right here. Okay, this is the thigh, which the thigh is very good meat. Okay, so we're just going to cut off this added fat. Okay, and here is the thigh. That's some ice. See?
Ice, ice, baby.
Now we've got the thigh bone. Okay. Alright, now we want to get the thigh bone off of this, because there's the backbone. Okay, now on this other piece, which we're doing it, remember I told you chickens tell you where to go and how to cut. Okay, we want to get the thigh right here. See? We're going to open it up right here. See? This middle? This is the thigh, and this is the backbone. Okay? So, we want to separate the thigh from the backbone. On that side, I'm going to break it there. Okay, that's the backbone, and this is the thigh. Okay, this is the beautiful thigh. This is some of the backbone. We're going to cut that off, aren't we? We don't want the backbone with the thigh. Now, the backbone, you say, well, what use is that? This is where the backbone, when you buy the consomme in the stores, this is what they boil to make out of it, because this is the parts we don't eat, but it's still good. That's how you make your chicken broth. Alright? Now, we got to cut off this excess skin. That kind of ruins the thigh. I'm going to put this back on there. See, that's a beautiful thigh right there. See that? That is a beautiful thigh. Okay. Now that one chicken made 2 thighs, 4 breasts, 2 legs, and 2 wings. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of chicken out of it. Now, compare 10 pieces of chicken, mixed chicken, into Walmart. It's going to be at least $6 or $7. And I just paid $3.48 for this chicken. Okay, so there it is. That is a whole chicken cut up to parts. And if you want to make your soups, that's what this is right here. All this leftovers, so you don't waste none of it. This is what they make chicken broth out of, because that's not what we eat. You'd make it, you'd boil it up in water, put some sauce, spices into it, then you'd throw these out, but you'd have all the chicken broth. And this is going to be our dinner tonight, which I'm going to videotape David or Doris, whoever's planned, for whatever dinner we're going to make tonight. Okay, thank you. And there it is. That's how to cut a whole chicken up into pots. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. And as always, the fun never ends in Sea Sparkles Corner. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.